Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie, and welcome. Today we are going to be making an apple pumpkin turnover. I'm using store-bought puff pastry because I don't have the time nor the patience to be making it myself. I love apples, I love pumpkins. To put them together, it's like a dream come true. It's really delicious, it's easy. I make them pretty big, but you can make them as big or as small as you want. Yeah, so I'm excited to share it with you. I hope you guys like it. If you do, make sure you give us a big thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed, you need to do that right now. All right, guys, enjoy. Bye.